I'm thinking in solving the Rubik's Cube until I get 1 million subscribers. Day 2, take 1. Let's go.
Hey, mommy don't know that it's getting hot at the body shop.
Doing something unholy.
She'll sit back while she's robbing me. She'll be popping me. Yeah, she put it down slowly, like a girl. She got married to the boy like you. She'd kick you out if she ever knew about all that shit. You told me that you do, dirty boy. You know everyone is looking on the street. You feel the whisper all the pussy that you be. Keep your business clean.
Mommy don't know that it's getting hot at the body shop. Doing something unholy. She'll sit back, wasn't robbing me. She'll be following me. Yeah, she put it down slowly.